All right, today's the morning of the surgery. I just shaved. I'm on my way. Yeah, let's do this.
Hi, it's Dr. Jonathan Zelkin. We are going to be performing a custom peak jawline enhancement on our friend Conrad here. And to do it, we really have to take a lot of cues from both Conrad's desires, his anatomy, what he's done in the past, but also his CT scan. So we've obtained a CT scan, which allows me to objectively measure certain dimensions and angles and things like that and optimize them, respecting sort of Western standards of attractiveness and beauty. When we look at the hairline to the brow, that's the upper third facial height. The brow to the nose is the mid third, and it's a little bit short, and then the nose to the chin is also a little bit short. One really great way of strengthening the male facial aesthetic is to lengthen the jawline a little bit. Not necessarily to widen it, not to make it look uncanny, but to take certain cues from what he wants and what he looks like and turn it into the face of his dreams. I think a conservative lengthening of the jawline, conservative lengthening of the chin, and widening and projecting the chin will give him just the jawline that he desires to make him even more attractive than he already is. He has a good shaped jawline, it just needs a little bit of uniform lengthening and holistic augmentation. So, we got our CT scan.
Yes.
We looked at our CT scan.
Yes.
We're looking at what you look like and what you want. This face is a little bit different than this face.
Yes.
You know it as well as I do. And having a small chin will, over time, put you in a position where you might have a little bit of premature aging because you don't have that framework to kind of hold up your neck. What I aim to do for you, since I like the shape of your jawline, is to sort of mirror it but lengthen it kind of universally. A little bit more in the back than the front, but if we do an implant kind of like this to bring your chin out forward a little bit and a little bit lower than it is, it's almost like a sled or a toboggan that sits down below the mandible that you have. I'm not going crazy on you because I like the way you look now.
Yeah.
That will give you a sharper jawline and a more commanding facial appearance.
Recovery-wise, so for how long am I going to look rough?
Well, if the endoscopic procedure is a success, I think the recovery is going to be like 2 weeks of looking goofy. But objectively speaking, for the world to look at you on the outside in, you're going to look great starting as soon as 2 weeks if this works out. I do expect the operation to take less than an hour and a half, and I do expect the recovery to be limited.
Right, I'm excited, thank you.
I'm really excited to help you. I think this is going to be great. I'm very excited about the procedure.
Appreciate you, Doc. Let's do this. All right, today's day one. That's where the incision was. It looks really good. This is just all swelling. I don't know what Dr. Zelkin is gonna do, but we have like something here. But looks good. Wait, day one, Dr. Zelkin, what do you think?
I think it looks really good. You're a little swollen here, but it's going to be really super nice. It's going to tighten your neck and everything. Everything went really well. You have no bruising at all. Let's try this. Let's see how we can do it. If it makes you nauseated, we don't have to do it. What do you think? Just to remind yourself that you've had surgery, but nothing else.
Cool.
Yeah? I think it looks really good.
Thank you,
Keep it up, my guy.
I got you. Good morning. Today's day 2 after my chin and jaw implant surgery. Let me take my compression garment off. Okay, so here's how my face looks. It's still a little swollen. I can't eat anything heavy or like crackers and stuff because it hurts. I've been only taking my pain meds to just go to sleep so I can sleep better. The face, the swelling is going down quite drastically and I have no bruising, you can tell. There's an incision right here. So that's the only thing that's kind of sore. I was able to work yesterday a little bit and today I feel way more energetic, I would say. I mean, if you don't know, you can tell if you put a hat on and glasses. So yeah, no, I was able to eat some soup yesterday and today I feel great just taking my antibiotic. I can't wait to see how it looks after a week. But the face originally felt like a Hulk. It was like super long because of all the swelling, and like today I woke up, it looks even better. So after a week it should look even better. So it's all starting to come in, which is super cool. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye now. Hi everyone, today's day 3 after surgery. I gotta say that today was the rough day. I got a little bit dizzy. Again, no bruising, just swelling. I think it might be the heat right here in California, but overall I feel great. I have my energy back. I actually stepped out of the house today to get some non-caffeinated boba. Honestly, I feel great. If you look at my face, it's still swollen. I feel like I have a triple chin, but I mean, for day 3 after a major surgery, I don't think it looks that bad. So yeah, I can't wait to keep you posted and document how it's gonna look in a week. But so far I'm very happy. No actual pain. My lower lip is just a little bit numb, but overall I feel great. So yeah, I'm excited to see how the recovery is going to progress. All right, bye now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey everyone, today's day 4 after surgery. Literally no bruising. It's just swollen, but today for the first time I was able to eat some chicken. I had a little protein bowl with rice and steamed chicken. It was perfect. I feel great. I was able to walk my dog today and actually went to the mall to walk a little bit. I don't like to be in the sun during the day, especially I have still stitches here, you can tell. So I just don't want to get any hyperpigmentation or anything. So I went to the mall just to walk a little bit. And overall, I feel great. My energy is back. I'm able to work. And overall, I have a great experience. And it just keeps getting better and better. Like I'm starting to see the chin. Like all this, if I touch it here, this is all super swollen. And like here, it's all swollen. So I feel like my face got double the size wide, but because of the swelling. So it will eventually come down. It's honestly the same case as my nose, but that's been already like 7 months. It's still swollen. So yeah, if you sign up for a surgery like this, like I think that's one of the things to expect. Honestly, I'm loving it every day more and more, and Dr. Zelkin did a phenomenal job. I think it's important to know that like if you go into this surgery, like it takes time to see the results. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated tomorrow. So bye now. Today is day 5 after surgery. As you can tell, you pretty much can tell. My face, I have a weird like tingling, but that's just nerves healing. And you can still see the incision. Looks good. It's just a little bit swollen. Otherwise, I feel great. I went to get tea today. I didn't drink any coffee, but overall great experience. I had a croissant and I have no painkillers in me. I've been just taking my antibiotic to finish it, and otherwise it's been great. I am excited to see how the healing is gonna progress. I took this little piece of table because I had to replace it and I was able to see my chin and it looks really damn good. Pretty much that's it. The only important thing that I do want to highlight is I was very tired this morning, but it was because I didn't eat much carbs. So definitely you want to make sure during the recovery to eat a lot. I don't know if it's just the effect of like general anesthesia or anything, but I felt better after I ate. That gave me some energy back and I feel better. So definitely make sure to eat. I worked all day on my computer. Yeah, if you're considering this surgery, I mean, literally again, I have no bruising and the swelling is going down like drastically. And I had friends telling me like, oh wow, you look great when I walked my dog this morning. Like this is literally still swollen. So imagine how it's gonna look when it's actually like fully healed. Like I cannot wait. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye now. Okay, so today's day 7 after surgery. Here's a quick update. I took my band-aid off because it kept falling, so I just put antibiotic. But here's the scar. You can pretty much see. Here's my face. I mean, you literally can see me at my computer. I'm actually working, feeling great. Got my energy back. I'm actually getting my appetite back. The only thing that's a little weird, I do have some tingling, but that's very normal. But the weird part is I used to bring my jaw, like my teeth closer to make sure my jaw is defined. But now I don't have to because, of course, I have the implant, so it defines my face. I'm just kind of getting used to it. I love it, and it's only getting better day by day, so I'm super excited about it. Honestly, I was able to take my dog for like a mile walk today. It's been great, and tomorrow we're taking up the stitches. months, and I just can't wait to see how it's all gonna turn out and how it's gonna look. I'm just pumped because literally gets better and better day by day. So I'm seeing Dr. Zelkin tomorrow, so that should be amazing. Yeah, I just want to keep you guys updated on the recovery, and I was able to work today. Normally I literally went to work, got my stuff done, so I'll check in tomorrow, and then tomorrow will be the last day pretty much. Now I'll check in a few months after. Bye now.